Hey guys, check out this recipe for our delicious strawberry mascarpone summer pizza. You're gonna love this, so let's love life and get cooking. First thing first, let's get our oven nice and hot, up to 700 degrees Fahrenheit. Get a nice fire going. Now let's get our ingredients out. For this pie, we need some fresh strawberries, some blackberries, ricotta cheese, mascarpone cheese, a lemon, powdered sugar, and some balsamic reduction. And of course the dough and flour. See the recipe on our blog, you'll get all the data there. All these ingredients are easy to get except for the mascarpone cheese. If you can't get it locally, the ricotta alone is just as delicious. And I would add some vanilla extract to it to kick it up just a bit too. We're going to use 1 cup of ricotta cheese, a half a cup of mascarpone cheese, 1/4 cup of powdered sugar, and about a tablespoon of lemon zest. Then we're going to combine all the ingredients together and make an incredible base. Now let's stretch out our dough and make a nice round pie out of it and throw it on a floured peel. Then we're going to take our base and put it all over the dough. Leave some peaks and valleys. Don't worry about anything. It's all going to taste just great. All right, now the good part is we're going to put it right in the oven, guys. We're going to make sure to give it a nice bake. We're going to make sure that the crust is browning and you're turning your pizza while you're cooking. When the base starts to caramelize, you'll see little brown spots on top. Your crust will be cooked and you'll know it's ready to be topped. Now, let's cover it with some berries. I don't like to cook my berries. I prefer them fresh with a crisp bite. You combine that with the warm mascarpone cheese and it's to die for. But let's take it a step further. Let's hit it with some powdered sugar and drizzle it with balsamic reduction. Back and forth, left and right. Oh, it's just incredible. This is an amazing dessert. So love life and love the incredible strawberry pizza.